Hello and welcome back to Pharmaguideline. If you've recently graduated or are about to complete your degree in pharmacy, pharmaceutical sciences, biotechnology, or any related life science field, then this video is just for you. So, if you want to skip the confusion and confidently start your career, keep watching. Let's begin by understanding the landscape of the pharma industry. As a fresher, you need to know which department suits your interest and skill set. Here are the main areas where freshers are hired. Quality control, QC, it is a lab-based job testing of raw materials and finished products. Quality assurance, QA, QA work in documentation, compliance, and deviation management. Production, all manufacturing operations and batch processing are done by production staff. Regulatory affairs, they handle drug dossiers and regulatory submissions. R&D, they prepare formulations, develop analytical methods, and conduct stability studies. Pharmacovigilance and clinical research, they monitor drug safety. Medical writing and medical affairs, they create content and scientific documentation. Don't randomly apply to all roles. First, understand what each role requires and match it with your strengths. Now that you have picked your focus, let's make your resume stand out. As a fresher, you don't need a lengthy CV. Keep it to 1 to 2 pages and follow this structure. Add name and contact information at the top of the CV. Add an objective statement and keep it targeted, like looking for an entry-level role in QC in a WHO GMP-certified facility. And educational details with percentage or CGPA. Add projects and internships. Describe your work and what you learned. Add technical skills. Mention instruments, software, or procedures you are familiar with. Add your certifications or training. Add GMP, HPLC, or industrial training programs. Add soft skills. Communication, teamwork, etc. Use pharma-specific keywords like GMP, GLP, HPLC, dissolution, stability, and kappa. Now let's talk about where to actually find jobs. Company websites regularly visit career pages of top companies like Sun Pharma, Cipla, Cadila, Dr. Reddy's, Aurobindo, Torrent Pharma, Biocon, Lupin, Alchem, Mankind, Intas, Ipca, etc. Dedicated pharma portals. Regularly visit portals like PharmaTutor, PharmaVox and Pharma Job Portal. LinkedIn. Search by keywords like Pharma Fresher, QC Trainee, or Pharma Walk-in Interview. Join pharma groups on LinkedIn. Follow HR professionals. Telegram and WhatsApp job groups. Some HRs post walk-in updates daily. Offline job fairs and campus drives. Attend every walk-in you can. Even if it's not your ideal job, consider it a learning opportunity. While applying for jobs, don't just wait. Upgrade yourself. Here's what you can do. Take online certification courses in GMP and GLP, data integrity, HPLC and GC, regulatory affairs, SOP writing, equipment calibration. Read pharmaceutical guidelines, ICH, WHO, US FDA. Practice test case studies, deviations, OS and OT handling. Watch free YouTube videos, like this one, to understand how the industry really works. Knowledge plus skill is equal to job-ready candidate. Remember, even 10 hours of learning a week puts you ahead of 90% of job seekers. Now let's discuss how to crack pharma interviews. Most interviews will have two parts. One is the technical round. For this, revise subjects like basics of QC instruments, HPLC, UV and IR. Types of documentation, BMR and BPR. Definitions like GMP, QA versus QC, etc. Simple calculations like dilution and yield. Second is HR round. Practice answers like tell me about yourself. Why pharma? What are your strengths? Are you open to relocation? Some tips for the interview are: speak with confidence. Keep answers simple. Be honest about your skills, but show a desire to learn. Lastly, let's talk about networking. Reach out to seniors working in pharma companies. Ask professors for referrals or recommendations. Follow companies and HR managers on LinkedIn. Join webinars and virtual pharma meetups. Comment and engage on pharma content. Recruiters will notice you. Remember, networking doesn't mean begging for a job, it means learning, sharing, and being visible. Here is the truth. Not everyone gets their first job instantly. Some take 1 month, others 3 to 4 months. But if you keep learning, apply daily, stay active on LinkedIn, and prepare well, you will get the job. Your first job is the foundation. It may not be your dream role, but it's your entry into the industry. So believe in yourself, trust the process, and keep going. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get regular updates. Join channel membership to access exclusive content, like courses and member-specific videos.